Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be going to discuss the prime game problem, that is from division 3 and division 1. So it's a not so easy problem. It's actually a tough problem. So still we'll try to understand it, and hopefully if we can crack it out, it's very cool. So without wasting any time, let's discuss the problem. So try to watch the video till the end, so that it would be easy for you to solve the problem if you are stuck at any place. So let's start. Chef and Divyam are playing a game with the following rules. First, an integer x factorial is written on a board. Chef and Divyam alternate turns. Chef plays first. Okay. In each move, the current player should choose a positive integer d, which is divisible up to y distinct primes and does not exceed the integer currently written on the board. Note that 1 is not a prime, that we all know. We are studying since childhood. D is then subtracted from the integer on the board, that is the integer written on the board before this move was a. It is erased and replaced by a minus d. When one player writes 0 on the board, the game ends and the player is the winner. Given x and y, determine the winner of the game. Okay, so basically we are given an integer x. So Chef and Divyam will play alternatively, and Chef will be starting the game. They have to choose d such that it is divisible by y distinct primes. So what y distinct primes is that if we take a number, let's say we take 24, so it's divisible, we have to take the factorials, that is 2, 2, 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 2 distinct primes, that is 2 and 3. 1 is not considered a prime, obviously. Then x is replaced by x minus d. Here there is a little technical error in the question. Here it's given if the integer written on the board before this move was a, it is erased and replaced by a minus d. Here a should be x, so it becomes x minus d. So this continuous process of subtraction continues, and the first player to write 0 on the board is declared the winner, and the game ends. So basically it's a little difficult question. So let's see the inputs. The inputs would be x and y only. For output, for each test case, print a single line containing the string Chef or Divyam if either wins. So our subtask would be first is y is equals to 1, that would be very easy to solve it. And second would be test cases up to 100, and value of x is between 1 to 6. So here you can see you would have seen the inputs. There are given 3 inputs, 3 test cases. X in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 and 42. But an explanation of only 2 test cases are given. So let's try to understand in this only. Since d is 1 is divisible by 0 prime, Chef will write 0 and win the game in the first move. So here x is given 1 and y is given 2. So if the Chef chooses d, the positive integer d, he chooses between. It is given in between. It's given does not exceed the integer currently written on the board. So x is 1, so the maximum choice he can do is 0 or 1. So in the after subtracting, he'll get 0 and Chef writes 0 on the board and he wins. So in the second test case, x is 3 and y is 1. So Chef must choose d between 1 and 5, because till 5 the divisible any number is divisible exactly with by 1 prime number, and after 5, that is 6, it's divisible by more than 2 prime numbers. So D is chosen between 1 and 5. Then Divyam can always choose 6 minus D, write 0 on the board and win the game. Simply. So the hint I would like to give for the third test case is the fault in the question is, we can't say that a fault, but a little error, that it's given x factorial. So if you would be taking the factorial of 2021, the factorial number would be too long, so you will absolutely get the TLE error. So try to shift your mind from factorial part. Try using 2021 simply, as we did in 3 and 1. So you will get your answer absolutely correct. So those who are able to solve it, it's very good, and who aren't, keep on trying. Maybe you will get it one day. All the best and keep coding. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll dropping some test cases down in the comment section, so you can all see it. Thank you, and do subscribe to the channel.